Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Headball 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, in order to play this game on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator. In order to do this, open up your web browser and search for any Android emulator, or you can also go to bluestacks.com and then click on the download button in order to download the installer for this emulator. Once the emulator has been installed, go ahead and open it up and you will gain access to your Android home screen. From the Android home screen, tap on System Apps and open up the Play Store. Now you can just tap on the search box and then type in Headball 2 and start your search. Once you find the Headball 2 game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Headball 2 game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the play button. This will also create a shortcut on your desktop which you can double click and directly start playing your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Headball 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.